Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate hotel bookings and guest services with AI Assistant. Having in hotel, you got many queries from your users regarding the hotel bookings and the guest services you are providing to them. Responding them manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this problem, we are going to automate this entire process by creating an automated AI Assistant, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, where at first we are going to create an AI agent. Then whenever any message your user will send to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your AI assistant will reply to them. So now, to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this right over here is the AI assistant that we are going to create in this video. This will automate hotel bookings and solve all the queries of your users, also provide them the different guest services. But before that, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this AI assistant will work and how it will be used in real time. For that, I'm going to send some messages to my AI assistant. Here I'm going to send my first message as what types of room are available at your hotel. Immediately you can see the AI assistant will respond to me like this, that we have the following types of rooms available at our hotel, while also providing me the types of rooms. Now again I am asking a question to my AI assistant that how much does the deluxe rooms cost per night? See, it will respond by providing us the price of room per night. Again, I am asking one more question to my AI assistant that what amenities are included in the standard room. It is visible that AI assistant will respond to me, and that is completely automated. See, it will provide me all the following amenities that are available in standard room. Now I am asking one last question to my AI assistant that how can I book a room at your hotel? See, it will reply to me while providing me the ways that how I can book the room in this hotel. So if you want to create this type of automated AI assistant that instead of you that will handle all of your user queries, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck anywhere while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problems just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating an AI assistant, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this button plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am going in this AI assistant option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of AI assistant for your different type of uses, where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I am going to click on this plus add AI assistant button. When I click on it, you can see it will ask me to provide the assistant name that I am going to provide as AI assistant for hotel bookings and guest services. After that, I am going to click on this add AI assistant button. So this is the page where you can create your AI assistant. For that, at first you have to select the instruction type that I am going to select as AI agent. You can see it will automatically generate the instruction. You can also make the changes in this instructions if you want to. After that, you have to select the temperature. Temperature sets how creative the AI answers you want. Here I am setting this temperature as 0.5. After that, you have to select the AI model that I am going to select as OpenAI. Then you have to select the model that it will provide you multiple types of models, that is GPT 4.1, O4 mini, O3, GPT-4o, GPT-4o mini, and GPT 3.5 turbo. Here I am going to select the model as GPT-4o mini. After that, you can see it will ask you to provide the API key that you can generate from your OpenAI API key page by clicking on this below. Here I am going to create a new OpenAI key, so I am going to click on it. Now for creating an OpenAI key, you have to simply click on this plus create new secret key button, where you have to provide the name to your key. It is an optional. After that, you have to select the project that I am going to select as default. After that, you have to provide the permission. After that, you have to simply click on this create secret key button. Here you can see my API key is successfully created. After that, I am going to copy this API key from here and paste this key in this field. Here I paste it. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. See, our OpenAI key saved successfully. Now in the next, you have to set the AI assistant settings, where the first is the header message. If you want to write any header message, then you can enable this toggle. After that, the footer message. If you enable this, then you have to write the footer. Then the stop keywords. When you enable this, then you have to enter some keywords that user will type to stop the AI assistant. After that, the next one is the retry attempt. It specifies that when AI assistant fails to respond, then you can increase the retry attempt. After that, the next one is the fallback message. If the AI assistant will not respond to your user, then this fallback message will be sent to your users. Now after that, the next one is the knowledge source. When you click on it, here you can see it will ask you to upload the knowledge source file. This will allows you to upload your own documents or the data that AI assistant will use to provide personalized answer to your user. This will help the AI assistant to provide accurate answers. Now I am going to show you my knowledge source file. So this is my knowledge base file, where I have included all the data related to my hotel bookings and the services that I am providing to my users. In the next, for downloading this file, you have to simply click on this files option and download this file in the plain text format. You can make this file in PDF format also. Here I am downloading it. See, my file is downloaded successfully. Now we will get back to our AI assistant, selecting this file and dropping here. See, my file is successfully uploaded. Now the next one is the assistant interface that will define as how your AI assistant will look like. For that, at first you have to write the heading name in this field that I am going to write as AI assistant for hotel bookings and guest services. After that, the next you have to write the subheading that I write as we are online and happy to assist you. Then the initial message I set as hi there, how can I help you today? After that, next one is the label that is the powered by Pabbly. You can also disable this. Then you have to write the footer text in this field that I write as privacy and policy. This is this. After that, you have to write the footer link in this field. If you don't add the footer link, then the footer text will be shown as the text. After that, the next one is the user first message that I write as I need help. The next one is the styling. You can change or modify the style of this AI assistant completely based on your choice. After that, now our AI assistant is completed. After the completion of your AI assistant, you have to enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will active and be able to reply to your user. After that, you have to click on the Save AI Assistant button so that your AI assistant will saved. Then the next button is the Embed. This means that you can add your AI assistant into your own website or the web page. Now I am going to explain you the setting of this AI assistant. For that, you have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox setting. Here I am opening it a new tab. So this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you have to scroll down and you can see one box is there, that is AI auto reply settings, that you have to enable from here. You can also select the specific contacts or all contacts of your user. After that, you have to simply select the AI assistant from here. That I am going to select as AI assistant for hotel bookings and guest services. After that, you have to simply click on the save button. Now you have to go into your inbox settings. Here you have to simply click on this chat and enable your AI assistant with the help of this toggle. Select the AI assistant from here that we have recently created by the name of AI assistant for hotel bookings and guest services. After that, you have to simply click on the save button. Now the setting up of your AI assistant is done successfully. This will automatically reply to your users without you doing any manual efforts. Again, I am going to give you a quick overview of the working of this AI assistant. For that, I am again sending some message to my AI assistant. In this time, I am going to ask my first question to AI assistant, that can I request an early check-in or late checkout? See, the AI assistant will reply to me like this, that yes, you can request an early check-in or late checkouts. These options are available subject to rooms availability. After that, again I am asking one question to my AI assistant, that what are your restaurant's hours of operation? See, it will respond to me like this while providing me the opening hours. After that, now I am asking one last question to my AI assistant. Do you have a spa for guests? Then you can see it will respond to me like this. This AI assistant is completely automated and will reply to your many users at once. This will also save your time and enhance your business. And the best part is, this automated AI assistant is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.